Welcome to the Southern Pride Distillery and Southern Pride Cattle Ranch, nestled conveniently in Middle Tennessee between Nashville and Huntsville, Alabama. This nearly 50-acre paradise features a turnkey distillery business, fully functional cattle operation, plus a fully prepped private estate build site. The property offers a multitude of water features that include a year-round spring-fed creek, 3 picturesque ponds, plus a very robust spring that provides artesian water for the distillery. The distillery improvements include 4 multifunctional buildings, plus all the top-notch Vendome copper and brass distillation and stainless steel fermentation equipment. The farm is partially wooded with live water galore, multiple pastures that are cross-fenced for rotational grazing, 2 barns, a loafing shed, and a thoughtfully appointed little farmhouse awaits. Want to build your own private residence on the property? Tucked away down a quarter-mile gated and paved driveway is an existing residential concrete foundation ready to become your custom forever home, complete with all the utilities plus an in-ground pool. This property will truly envelop you with a peaceful serenity along with the magical sights and sounds southern Middle Tennessee is known for. For more information about this amazing property, please contact Pat Doyle at 615-490-2771.